Me naman, growing up kasi, with my parents, and both my mom and my dad, they're really my moral compass. No? And people are saying, bakit ang tapang-tapang mo? Wala kang, you go around, di ka ba natatakot? Number 1 ka na sa hit list ng mga trolls na yan. You know, my father used to say, and before he was Supreme Court, COMELEC yan.
Yeah.
So maraming kaawayan, yung mga natatalong kandidato.
Okay.
And he would say, you know, if you have a bodyguard and they want to get you, they'll get your bodyguard first.
Yeah.
Your bodyguard, may pamilya
Right,
yung
that's right.
bodyguard mo,
That's
di
right,
ba?
that's
So,
right.
so I go around, I have no bodyguard. People,
Mm.
I also don't have a lalay, no?
Mhm.
Some people, like here, the lady says, here says, attorney, can I carry your bag? No, you cannot carry my bag. I can carry my bag, thank you. Parang yung culture na
Yeah.
sikat ka, na somebody carries your bag. Miski na maliit na libro lang, may magkakarga pa, may magdadala ng thermos mo. I'm not there until I'm old and gray. And I cannot carry my bag. I will do things for myself.